Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open and set up a Ko-fi account. Now, to get started, you want to open any browser and go to Ko-fi.com. And once you're on this homepage, you want to click on sign up for free at the top, this one right here. Once you do that, you can actually create an account using your email and password or make things faster by signing in with Google, Twitter, Facebook, or Twitch. So let's go ahead and do that just now. Let me choose Google. All right, after that, you're successfully connected. Just click on confirm. Then from here, after signing in, Ko-fi will ask you what you want to use it for. Now, if you're a creator or a supporter, so just choose whatever applies for you. So let's just say this one. Then you want to choose how you're planning to earn. So either receiving tips, build monthly membership income. So select whatever applies to you. Then click continue. Then you want to choose your username. Once you've chosen your username, just click on next. Then you can also change your profile picture here just by clicking choose image. Once done, just go ahead and click next. Then you want to choose your interests. So click, you want to pick the categories that best match what you do. You can update them anytime and you can pick as many as you want. So for example, let me do this. There we go. But once you're done, just click on next again. Then you can also change your display name and your bio right here. After that, just click next. And once that's done, your Ko-fi page is created for you. And from here, you can connect your PayPal or Stripe account so you can actually receive payments. Just follow the on-screen steps to log in and confirm. And that's it. Your Ko-fi account is set up and you can now start sharing your page, accepting support, and building your creator income. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.